Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a spicy garlic spaghetti, and this is literally the definition of quick. You literally have to start this sauce 5 minutes before the pasta comes out of the water. So, we dumped our pasta in 5 minutes ago. The pasta will take 10 minutes to cook, so now it's time to make this real quick sauce. In about a third of a cup of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil to be specific, we have 3 cloves of garlic that were minced, and a teaspoon to 2 of red pepper flakes, depending on how spicy you like it. Then you want to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. And give this, about a minute to cook. And you kind of want to keep stirring this. In fact, I kind of screwed up the timing, so I wanted to slow down the cooking process. So I killed the heat. And then with literally 30 seconds left to go, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of chopped up parsley. And give this a quick stir around. And we'll literally be able to add this to our spaghetti. And we have our spaghetti ready. We're going to add our sauce. By the way, that's 1 pound of spaghetti. I would really recommend getting the bronze cut spaghetti. It costs a little more, but trust me, you're really going to want it. Don't get the cheap crap. Don't get the cheap great value crap. And a little bit more salt. And a little bit more freshly ground black pepper. Then just a touch more olive oil. Maybe a teaspoon. Then you just want to grab a spoon or tongs. And you want to just toss the spaghetti until all the noodles are evenly coated, or just do what I did and just grab the bowl and start tossing it. And last thing we're going to do is just shred some freshly grated Parmesan cheese over our spaghetti. And that's it. Like I said, it's super quick, super easy. It's delicious. It didn't survive that long. And yeah, spicy garlic spaghetti. Done.